Today we had our CLP meeting and we discussed on several issues. So this insensitive government, time and over again, we say this because तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा जे असेंब्ली 5 दिसा आशिल्ले ते आज एक नोटिफिकेशन काढून 4 दिसा गेला. सो रामनवमीच्या नावान या सरकारान एक दीस बिझनसाचो राम नाम सत्य हे केला. हे दाखोवन दिता की हे सरकार ऑपोजिशनाक भिता म्हणून. They could have easily extended a day. In fact, they have curtailed. I fail to understand why does this government fail to protect our rights, and why is this happening time and over again? This government basically is only involved in event management. You all can see time and over again, the chief ministers, the ministers, every day there is an event. So they want to only make events, and the original issues, people issues, आमदाराले काम कितें, ऑपोजिशनाचे काम आणि आमी सगळ्यांले काम, हे आमी आमदार आहे की लोकांचे प्रश्न एक डिबेट जावपाक जाय विधानसभेत. पूण हो सरकार हुई ना हुई भिता. They are failing and they are fearing the opposition. There are several issues that we discussed, of which Madai was also an important issue. The failure of this government to withdraw the DPR. They do not speak on withdrawing the DPR, they are silent on it. In fact, they are hand in glove. Right from day one we were saying they are hand in glove and they are acting on the dictates of the central government. Yes, central government त्यांका dictation दिता. Yes, central government has a dictation. वो सरकार आज ऐकता. जे प्रोटेस्ट जाताय त्यांका आमी एक विधानसभेत एक सजेशन केले की तुमगेले बीजेपीचे फ्रंटल ऑर्गनायझेशन आणि तुम्ही प्रोटेस्टाक एकठांय आमी गोंयकार म्हणून जाचे म्हणून. पूण आज somewhere this government wants to stifle and silence the voices of the youth. We condemn this attitude of this current government. G new education policy. This is a very important policy for the future of our children. But somehow this government wants to go into a haste and they want to act haphazardly. जे infrastructure, building, इस्कॉलाक जे म्हाका दिसता ओरिएंटेशन हे टीचरांक दिवपाक जाय आशिल्ले हे सारखे जायना. It is being bulldozed. Another command from their high command from Delhi. जे म्हाका दिसता हे एनवायरमेंटाचे आज डिस्ट्रक्शन जाता. हिल कटिंग, rampant hill cutting all over the state of Goa today. It is a sorry state of affairs. I fail to understand why this government whether this government is hand in glove with these mafias, the land mafia hai, whether these people are basically hand in glove. We also elaborated on the smart city. Smart city in je zata aaj. So city, smart city in the capital. 4 truck. You all know what has happened, how they turtled. So all this corruption, all these issues, we discussed in length. We discussed and we said that we would take it up in the upcoming assembly session. Inflation, price rise, important on unemployment. Through investment promotion board, they only promise jobs. This much investment, 3,000 crores investment, 2,000 jobs. So why is the job rate, the unemployment index, it is only going higher and higher? This government basically is only to fool the people of Goa. The law and order situation zala aaj, because of accidents, the deaths that have been taken place. We will highlight all these issues. We will work together like last time. We will appeal, and I appeal through your medium, and I will appeal to all my colleagues and all the opposition MLAs. We will come together on working a strategy in the upcoming assembly election, and definitely all of us will be the voice of the people and raise the issue that are important today. All the issues, like Magadista illegal bungalow je old go. I fail to understand why they are not coming up with any mechanism for destroying, demolish the bungalow. So basically, all these issues we will take up in the upcoming assembly session.
You see, there are certain issues which we have raised up in the previous assembly sessions, and there were certain assurances also given. And as what our leader of opposition has mentioned, I don't believe that things can go on across Goa, such kind of destruction, unless someone is involved. Even look at that food grain scandal, which is virtually becoming a zero case at the end of the day. And the court has directed to release even the food grains. So I'm wondering, this is supposed to be confirmed now, whether there is hand of any BJP functionary in this, all these scams which is going on. And if they pay obeisance to their masters, ते मागीर साफ जातात ते सगळे क्लीन जातात. सो फ्रेज यूज केल्ले कोणें एक पाटी वॉशिंग मशीनान धुवतात ते, सो ते सगळे साफ जावन भायर सरतात. So I don't know whether these are tactics, strategies, genuine interest of the people which are being looked at. We will raise all these issues because every day we see this kind of corruption going on, and then finally it is no action, no prosecution, and only settlement which is going on. So I think these kind of things must be taken seriously. Goa cannot be destroyed any longer, and I think we are working on all these issues which we will take up in conjunction with other leader or the opposition members.
सगळ्यांक तुमकां नमस्कार. आनी आमगेल्या युरी बाबान सांगले ते प्रमाणे आतां जे येता आमगे असेंब्ली सेशन जे आसा, जे आमी सातूय जे ऑपोजिशन आहाय ते सगळे एकठांय रावन गेले ते फाटी असेंब्ली सेशन जालें तशें करून म्हाका सरकाराचेर दबाव हाडून गोंयकारांक कितें जाय ते प्रमाणे म्हाका जावपा जाय तें आमी करपाचें आनी कोत्तले. पयले सुवातेर म्हाका दिसता बाब युरीन बाबान सांगले ते प्रमाणे आमकां रामनमी ही जी येता ती म्हाका दिसता एक वर्स पयलीं खबर आसता, कॅलेंडरार येता आनी सरकाराक खबर आहा, आख्खे गोंयचे परजे खबर आहा. आनी जेन्ना सरकाराक खबर आशिल्ली रामनमी ही ब्रेस्तारा आशिल्ली म्हूण पयलें तेमी ते एक दिसा आतां ही आज आमकां नोटिफिकेशन काडून ती कटेल केली. म्हाका दिसता आमकां लॉर्ड रामान सालवार केले रामनमी ब्रेस्तारा येवन. समज रामनमी तरी शुक्रारा येयल्ली, म्हाका दिसता हे प्रायवेट मेंबर्स डे आहा तें म्हाका दिसता तें उडयताले. सो म्हाका दिसता देव लॉर्ड राम गोंयकारा आटीन आहा, कित्याक तें ब्रेस्तारा येवन शुक्रारा येवन तें लिमीट लायताले आनी प्रायवेट मेंबर्स डे आहा ती काटेल काडून उडयताले. सो म्हाका दिसता देव आमचे बराबर आहा. तशेंच आमी डिस्कस केलें आमगेले मिटींग जे एसटी फंड्स आतां आमगे केपेंच्या मतदारसंघान म्हाका दिसता आतां आमी असेंब्ली हाडले 2 वा 3 मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स एप्रूव जावन सगळे फंड्स टेंडर जाला सगळें जालां. एसटी फंडा लागून आमगेले वता हे एक वावुर्ला म्हणटा थिंगा एक रस्तो, लोक इतले त्रास काडटा पण जाल्यारय व्हरपाक मेळना आनी मेल्यारय देंवोवपाक मेळना, इतले त्रास जाले. आतां एसटी फंडा लागून ऑल म्हणटा सरकारा कडेन सेंटरासान इतलो फंड येता तो खंय वयता तें आमकां खबर ना. तशेंच जाबावली एक ग्रावंड आहा, लास्ट 6 years तो ग्रावंड रोडटा एसटी फंडा लागून. म्हाका दिसता सरकारान आमकां सांगचें बाबा फंड खूंय तो होय आमी पॉयंट घातले. दुसरें म्हणटे भाशेन कार आमगे शंकर पोळचेन बाबड्यान बरो एक पोस्टर काडून गायला, दिवपाची गरज ना, फकत 50 रुपये वाडले म्हूण सिलिंडराचेर. म्हाका दिसता आज 50 रुपये वाडले. हो सरकार बारीक गरीब जनतेक खूंय येवन पावयता हें म्हाका दिसता आमकां कोणाक तरी खबर ना. सो हो सरकार अशें करून चलता, बारीक समाजा लोकांक, बारीक जनतेक सारको आनी भिके लायता. सो आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन आतां जेन्ना असेंब्ली जातली आमी सरकारा दबाव हाडून गोंयकारांक कितें बरें जाय तें आमी करपाक व्हरतले. देव बरें करूं.